Welcome to Melac Online tutorial. Now let us see how we solve this initial equation, which is JAMB 2004 question. Alright, and say find the value of x in the cube root of 4 raised to the power of 2x equals to what? 16. Alright, the cube root of 4 raised to the power of 2x equals 16. Now let us recall from indices that the square root of a number equals x raised to the power of 1 over 2, and the cube root of a number will also be x raised to the power of 1 over 3, and also probably any root of a number equals to the number raised to the power of 1 over that number, or the inverse of that number. Okay, so here we employing this, either of these to this root. So here we have 4 raised to the power x, or to the power of what? 1 over 3, then equals what? 16, right? Okay, now changing this. Okay, since here we have 4, and also we can also get a factor of 4 here, changing this to the base of 4, changing 16 to the base of 4. Here we have that 4 raised to the power. Now take note that x raised to the power of m into n equals to x raised to the power of mn. So you can multiply through. It will be 2x over 3, then equals 4 raised to the power 2, because 4 raised to the power 2 gives us 16. Now here we can now eliminate the 2 base from the two sides. So here we are left with what? 2x over 3 equals 2. Alright, take note this is over 1. We can now cross multiply. So by this multiply this will multiply this. Here you have 2x equals to 3 times what? 2. Alright, we can now divide 2 by 2. This will cancel out this. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. So we're left with x equals to what? 3. Thank you and God bless you.